Hello everyone, my name is Priyanka Sawant. I'm a celebrity astrologer, tarot card reader, numerologist, and I do a lot of other things. You can check it out on my website about my details. Today I'm going to unbox this deck. Let's see how this deck looks like and how the cards meanings are, and let's see ahead. Now, this is True Crime Oracle cards. These are not tarot cards, these are Oracle cards. Okay, this is made by Apathy Soul. Okay, the box is sturdy, like really thick. You can see this. Just put this aside, the box. Now, this deck is 80 cards in one deck. It's quite a lot of cards. Now you can see the pictorial of the back of the card is like a detective. You can see the crime detective. They usually symbolize this way. So they have kept it that way, and they have named the card. Printed name of the card is also printed over here. And let's see the card. Okay, I'll just keep this side and then we'll start seeing it. Can you see it? One thing is that there's no numbering for the cards, direct names, and the pictorials. This deck can be used for anybody who is missing and you're trying to figure out where the person is or what has happened with that person, or you want to investigate a murder, or you want to know what is something hidden in a situation which is mysterious, then this will be very helpful. A lot of images they have used real, like this sword and the hand. It's like a real image. It's not like a design or a drawing or some painting. It's like real image. See here also, it's a real image. The thickness of the card is this thin card, but quite sturdy. You can see this. Energy of the card is really good. I love these cards. Realistic images they have used. Interesting. A lot of things they have captured in the card. Once we start doing once we use the deck, you can understand how it interprets. But yeah, it's a storyline deck. Yeah, the card cannot be read one card interpretation. Obviously there will be a story with the card. Just love this deck, and I will suggest everyone who loves to do these kind of readings regarding crime, you want to find out who is the culprit or where is a missing person, then this deck is really good. And the energy of the card is also beautiful. You can see this like spreading out. It's also very smooth, so it's really good. I just love this deck. I hope you like the review and you enjoy this deck. If anybody buys it, you'll enjoy the readings. Thank you for watching my video. See you in the next video.